winning is simply a mindset. A mindset, however, that is only developed by outstanding individuals. It's not about talent, it's about effort. Effort will get you the win when the talent is having a rest day. Effort will drive you home when everyone expects you to give up. Effort will drag you from the canvas when you have been knocked out by life.
It's going down, I'm yelling timber. You better move, you better dance. You won't remember, I'll be the one you won't forget.
Here's George, oh, with a block into the second row. Durant is going to pull up for the lead, and he throws it. Throws and drives by. Look out below.
Timber, face down, booty up, timber. That's the way we like the world. I'm sicker than an oil spill. She say she won't, but I bet she will. It's going down. One more shot, another round. End of the night is going down. Swing your body round and round. End of the night is going down. One more shot, another round. End of the night is going down.
Valanciunas with a slam dunk.
You better dance. Let's make
Durant pulling up, firing and scoring.
I'll be the one you won't forget. It's going down, yelling timber. You better move, you better dance. Let's make it
Millsap gets around.